Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In today's quick 2-minute tip video, I want to give you my secret for growing nice, strong, stocky tomato plants. And it's nothing fancy. I leave the lights on for 72 hours once the tomato seed germinates. So when you're doing a flat, look for that first seed breaking the surface. Leave the lights on 72 straight hours. It's not going to hurt the lights. They don't need a night cycle when they're first coming out of the ground. And you can see how thick the stems are to these plants. They were put in the ground actually, or they were actually seeded in the cells on November 24th. Today is January 17th. They would be ready to go into the ground if it wasn't winter. I use these for prop plants, but you can just see how nice and thick the stems are. The time that they need the most light is really at germination in that first 5 or 7 days. So give your plants what they need. Here are some other plants that were started on December 16th. Nice and stocky, healthy. They're going to look great. They're going to look just like these plants in a couple of weeks. So when you're setting up your grow light station, I have tons of videos on this. If you want to subscribe, check out my channel. You're going to be using shop lights because you can make them for a lot less money than buying the grow lights. Those are usually 3,000 to 5,000 lumens. When you have that type of lumens, that's the light intensity, you want your lights to be about 2 to 4 inches from your seed starts. If you're growing with a big light system that's like, 1,000 watts or something crazy, 2 to 4 inches is going to burn your plant. So follow the instructions on your grow lights that you buy as specific grow lights. But when you build them, 2 to 4 inches, leave the lights on for 72 hours as soon as you see that first seed break the surface. And then after that 3 days, you can go to leaving your lights on 16 hours, off for 8 hours. That's when the light cycle and night cycle become important. But you can have beautiful, healthy transplants, thick stems by just giving them that extra light in the first 3 days when they break the surface and germinate. Please subscribe to my channel. These are Tiny Tim tomatoes that went into the seed mix on 12/16, so they're about 4 weeks old. I'm going to be growing these indoors, and I'll be doing a whole series on growing these dwarf tomatoes inside. Thanks for watching, and remember, give them the extra light. Nice stocky tomato stems, beautiful looking plants.